This is David from swimmingpoollearning.com. In this video I'm going to show you the Degrii Zima Pro robotic pool cleaner. And this is what I would consider a hybrid cordless robotic pool cleaner. There's a float, but there's no actual cord connected to a power unit that's plugged in on the deck. So there is an 11.5 foot cord tethered to the control unit that will float in your pool. This is good for a standard depth pool of 6.5 feet all the way up to about 10 feet. And the nice thing about having it tethered here is that the battery is actually in here and not in the robotic pool cleaner itself. So this is a 10,000 AH battery, and it will give this cleaner about 3.5 hours of cleaning time. This means that it's good for a medium to large pool. And included in the box is the charger for the cleaner. So to charge it, you simply plug it in, and then you want to loosen up the cap on top and plug the other end of the charger in. You want to be sure not to charge it in direct sunlight. And here's a look at the Zima Pro manual mode. And this is where you can take control of the cleaner and use your phone or device like a remote control. You can see that as I push the button in a direction, the cleaner is moving in that direction. And just like flight controls, it's the opposite button, the opposite direction. But it's moving really well, and you can actually manually clean your pool with the Zima Pro. And here's a look at the Zima Pro cleaning pattern. And you can see, even though the clip is sped up 8 times, that it does get full coverage of the pool. It'll clean the bottom of the pool and then climb the walls and clean the walls of the pool to the water line. And you can see that this is a smart robotic pool cleaner. Since the floating battery platform or the control panel is floating on the surface, this is a true Wi-Fi robotic pool cleaner. So you can, of course, use the app to control the cleaner, check on this cleaning cycle. You can even set a schedule in the app. It also has a remote control mode that you can enter into and control the cleaner with your phone or device. And I like the fact that it counts down how much longer it is before the cleaning cycle is over. You can see here this is on floors only, and it's a shorter cycle. And you can also use the lift system that comes in the app to have the cleaner turn towards the side of the pool, climb up, and then wait for you to retrieve it and pull it out of the pool. So the app features are really nice, and I found that the app works really well with this cleaner. And also included is a user manual. And on the front and back are these scrubbing brushes. You can see on the bottom it has 2 really good sized debris openings, and on the side are these tracks. And this is what gives this cleaner its wall climbing ability. And this cleaner is designed to clean the floors as well as the walls of the pool, and it's designed to clean a 90-degree angle. So if you have a vinyl pool with 90-degree walls, it should be able to climb those walls with no problem. And the cleaner features dual debris canisters. And these are pretty good sized debris canisters, and according to their site, this will filter down to 180 microns. So it's not good for really small dirt particles, but it's great for larger leaf debris as well as the less fine dirt in the pool. And it takes 5 to 6 hours for the Zima Pro to fully charge. And once you have the robotic pool cleaner in the pool, you can select the mode. And then you simply press start. So I went ahead and hit the lift button in the app, and the cleaner is turning towards the side and climbing the wall, so this works effectively. Okay, let me show you the debris that the Zima Pro picked up here at this pool. And you can see that this does a great job with leaf debris. Again, since it only filters down to 180 microns, this is not good for pools with really fine dust. And again, if your pool has a lot of leaf debris, or just the normal amount of dirt and not fine dust, this cleaner would be suitable. To me, the Zima Pro is a flashback to the older robotic pool cleaners. It's very large, and it has a very wide cleaning path. It's also heavy, coming in over 20 pounds. And I really like the Wi-Fi aspect of it. Since it has this controller that floats on top of the pool, the Wi-Fi is always connected. And I also like the long cleaning time and the different modes you can select. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.